Hi, this is Mark Breuker from Idia, and I'm here for the final review of the CEFR readability project we've done for European Language Grid as one of the pilot projects. Idia is a company based in Amsterdam, and we develop natural language processing solutions for the education, publishing, and government sector. One of our focus areas is to identify the readability level of texts and also to help authors improve and make their text more accessible. So in order to measure the readability level of texts, we use the Common European Framework of Reference, or CEFR. And the CEFR is a system developed by the EU, which describes foreign language proficiency for reading, writing, listening, and speaking at 6 different levels. So A1 and A2 describe beginner proficiency. Then we have B1 and B2 is intermediate level, and C1 to C2 is expert. So our ELG pilot project focuses on a specific problem. So in the educational, publishing, and government sector, texts are usually assessed manually on the CEFR readability level by human experts. But the problem is that it's often inconsistent and also doesn't really scale very well. So our solution is to automate text classification on CEFR readability levels and also to provide automated feedback and suggestions to help authors improve the readability level of their text. So the project that we defined has 4 main objectives. First is to create an infrastructure which helps us to develop data sets for the development of AI classification models. Second is to expose those models as ELG services. And then with this infrastructure, we want to create models for various languages and then use the European Language Grid as a go-to-market channel for the services and data sets we've developed. So the infrastructure looks as follows. So we have a data labeling application which takes unlabeled texts, and those texts are then labeled by human experts or teachers, language teachers that label the text on a CEFR readability level. Then that labeled data is input to create an AI classification model. And those classification models are then exposed as services or APIs on the ELG, and those services are then used in an authoring application that, for instance, an author can use to assess the readability level of his or her text. Then our future plans. So we're looking to further commercialize our applications and services created under the pilot project. So we're looking at a commercial subscription for the authoring application, but also to integrate the services into web content management systems used in government organizations. And once the ELG commercial services become available later this year, we're looking to integrate with those. Then using the data labeling application, we would like to add additional languages to our services. And finally, we're also working with some academic institutions to review and validate the data sets that we have created. That concludes our presentation for today. If you'd like to see more information on our project, please visit the ELG project catalog or contact us directly at info@Idia. Thank you very much.